and on and on. I'll stop there before I screw it up even more trying to show you. Just learned it today, so, well, no, that's not true. I started working on this, but I only really got the intro before I got the rest of it today. Brown Eyed Girl, Van Morrison, great song. Great song for the Merlin. You could probably almost skip all the melody lines and just play straight chords, and everybody still didn't know what it is, but I like my melody lines, right? So we do them anyway. I gotta fix my tripod here one second. I didn't put it down before. Okay. So we got D, open, open, open. We got G, we're doing 3, 3, 3. We've got an A, 1, open, 1. We've got a B minor, 2, 1, open. Those are all chords. And then we got a low G as well, 3, 1, open. That's it. Alright, so intro. Let's get right into it. So intro starts in D. G. D. A. And then it repeats that twice. Got it? Wouldn't that suck if that's what my lessons were? Just fast, get it, good. No. Alright, so you start in your D. And you do a little walk up, walk down. That's all it is. Then you go to your G. Same thing, walk up, walk down. Back to your D. Do the same thing again, and then you go to your A. But on your A, instead of doing 1, open, 1, you're going to start it as 1, 2, 1. And you want to play it, so well, I use my thumb, right? So I use my thumb on there. I'll use my middle on the bottom, 1. And then on the middle, second, I'll use my index. So it leaves my pointer open so I can hit that, because you got to do that walk there as well. So you start with a 2 or 1, 2, 1. Let it go, open. First fret, second fret, all while holding the A. So all together, that's. And you do that twice. And then you go right into your D. Oh yeah, so your verse, we're going to break this down into 2 sections, even, 2 main sections, and then we got the tag at the end. But the 2 main sections, you do the first one twice, second one twice. They are very similar, it's just the way the melody starts is the only difference. So we're going to start part 1. So after you do that, you end up in your D, slide up to your 4th fret on the melody string, on the high string. 2 hits. And then walk back 3, 2. Right into your 3, 3, 3 G with an add 4. So. Open D, slide up to your 2nd, 1st, A. With a hammered or fret on the 2nd. So let's just do melody line. So that's what your melody is doing. There is actually more melody there, but I decided to leave it off. It kind of makes it too busy. If you want to know what it is, you can put it in there. So, sorry. So after that G, you climb down 2, 1. And then you do the second part. But if you're going to do that, do the other G. So you can do that climb down while you're still in G. But I just find once you get going and you're strumming, it's too busy, so I leave it off. So which I think is more than enough melody to know what you're playing. So you do it that way twice. So that first way, like I said, 2 2, hit it. This is the hits. 2 2 1 1. So you do it that way twice. So that 2 2 1 1. So basically 4 4 3 2. And then you go into the G. So you do that twice. On the third time, you skip all that and you stay on your fourth. You don't do that. Instead of doing that, you're doing all those notes on your third. But you're doing them like a triplet feel. So you do this twice. So that's the second time. Third time, you're doing those. All on the fourth. Down, up, down, up. And then everything else is the same. Oh, it's more. See, what? Because you're doing triplets there instead of doing your... So basically, you gotta pause every time you hit the third and the second, so you're putting those pauses in as well. So you're doing it 6 times. Okay, where were we? So that's the second time, third time. So that's the two differences, right? So let's play all 4 all the way. So 2 of the first kind, 2 of the second time, and we'll do it nice and slow. So on the fourth time, from the A, you go into your G. A, D, B minor, G, A, D. Alright, so let's do that again. So from the A, you go into your G. Low G, and then you're going to add on the first fret on the high. Back to your A, adding on to your second fret, into your D, run down, into your B minor, and you're going to add second fret on your middle string, to your G, just a normal G, no add-ons there. Into your A with an add on the second, back to your D. So you do 2 verses. So separating the 2 verses is that walk down. So basically a full bar. I do it with my thumb and then playing all the notes separate with different fingers, right? But it's however you want to play it. They all work. So 4 4 4, slight pause, 3 2 1, and then end it with the open strum on your D, and then you go right back into it. so second time through, I end it on a D. Oh, before we do the bass, we do the shalala part. So end is on the D, and then it goes straight into your A. Do you remember when I used to sing? I usually start in normal D, and then I'll add the third. And then do an open strum, slide up to your fourth. The shalala parts, we're doing the same chord structure as the verses. So fourths, shalala. So we're pretty much doing a 4, 3, add 4, D second fret, add third fret, A, add second fret. So you do that twice, and then I add just some 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and that's not right. That's what screws me up when I go into the bass line. Because I need that 1, 2, 2, or 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's do. Let's add that right there. I think that's what goes there anyway. So after you do that shalala part, throw that 4, 3, 2, 1, open. And then just leave it as an open strum. And then you come back with just the root note. So you hit a single note and then double, double, double. This is how you start that bass run. So. Pretty much all I do. So double or single, double, double, up, down. Then you start it. So do, 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 do. So and then I would throw that 4, 3, 2, 1 open in there again after the bass run. So you only do that bass run once, right? So. And that's all the parts you need. So then you do another verse. You do. Then you do the outro to the verse, and then you go back into the sha-la-la-la-la-la-la part 4 times instead of 2 times, and then to end it is just 4, 3, 2, 1 open. That's pretty much it. I know I'm going fast, but my camera I use my phone, and it gets at this quality setting, I can do 20 minutes and then it cuts off. So I'm trying to get it all in 20 minutes. We're at almost 17 right now. So so when you do the last shalala parts, so you do the verse again after the bass line. That's it. Brown Eyed Girl. Like I said, we could add more melody to that, but I think that's more than enough, right? Everybody knows what it is. If you just want to sing it, then just do the chords. Don't bother with any of the melody. Pretty much all there, what I just did, right? Just do all the chords I just did, but take the melody out. That's it. Brown Eyed Girl, Van Morrison. I think this was a request by like 5 people. I don't know anyone's names. I'm so bad at that. Anyone still listening to this video, here you go. I am actually starting working on tabs. It's not going to be fast because I've got 200 songs. I'm probably going to do the most popular ones first, and then that's it. Videos at 19 minutes. So anyone who stayed right till the end, there you go. They're coming. Practice patience, have fun. We will see you guys next time.